LuxMed Laundry handles the decontamination and execute complete project for your needs.
Welcome to LuxMed, a testament to the Make in India mission, a global force redefining health.
LuxMed Laundry handles the decontamination, washing, drying, and ironing of hospital linen and textiles, while the CSSD processes and sterilizes surgical instruments, treatment trays. In a hospital setting, the Central Sterile Supply Department, CSSD, and the laundry work in tandem to maintain a sterile environment for medical procedures and patient care. The laundry handles the decontamination, washing, drying, and ironing of hospital linen and textiles, while the CSSD processes and sterilizes surgical instruments, treatment trays, and other reusable medical items. Sterilized items from the CSSD are then distributed to various departments, including operating rooms and patient wards. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Laundry's role. Decontamination. The laundry receives soiled linen and textiles from various hospital areas, including outpatient departments, OPDs, inpatient departments, IPDs, and critical care units like operating theaters, OTs, high dependency units, HDUs, and intensive care units, ICUs. Washing and drying. Soiled linen is washed using specialized equipment, often including high-capacity washing machines, dryers, and ironing machines. Different linen types, like colored or heavily soiled white linen, may require different washing procedures. LuxMed Washer Extractor machine is a high-capacity washing machine designed for industrial and commercial use, particularly in laundries, hotels, hospitals, and other facilities with large laundry needs. It combines washing and high-speed extraction functions to efficiently clean and remove excess moisture from large loads of laundry. High-speed extraction. The key feature of a washer extractor is its high-speed spin cycle, which uses centrifugal force to extract water from the laundry. Amount of water, reducing drying time and energy costs. CSSD, Central Sterile Supply Department, a Tumbler machine, is used to clean and disinfect medical instruments and equipment. It's not a standard term for a specific machine type, but rather a descriptive term for a mechanical cleaning process that might use a tumbler-like motion. CSSD primarily uses autoclaves for sterilization, and washer disinfectors and ultrasonic cleaners for cleaning. LuxMed Laundry Tumbler, also known as a tumble dryer or clothes dryer, is a machine that uses heated air and a rotating drum to dry clothes and other textiles. It's a common household appliance and is also used in commercial laundries for drying large quantities of fabric. How a laundry tumbler works. 1. Rotating drum. The core of the tumbler is a drum that rotates, tumbling the clothes and allowing them to be exposed to heated air. 2. Heated air. A heating element, electric or gas, generates hot air, which is circulated through the drum. 3. Moisture evaporation. The heated air evaporates moisture from the clothes, drying them effectively. 4. Air circulation. The rotating drum ensures that the clothes are constantly exposed to the heated air, promoting efficient drying. LuxMed Flatbed Iron is a specialized tool for ironing larger, flat items like bed sheets and tablecloths. Unlike traditional irons, it uses a flat, solid surface to apply heat and pressure, making it efficient for larger surfaces. Steam can be used with a flatbed iron to help relax wrinkles and create a smoother finish. Here's a more detailed look at the use of flatbed irons and steam in laundry. Flatbed iron basics. Design. Flatbed irons have a flat, solid surface instead of a pointed tip, which allows for easier ironing of large, flat fabrics like bedsheets and tablecloths. Usage. You plug it in, wait for it to heat up, and then glide it over the fabric to remove wrinkles. Benefits. Flatbed irons are efficient for large items and can be used with steam to further enhance ironing. Applications. They are commonly used in commercial settings like hotels, hospitals, and schools for ironing items like bed sheets, curtains, and towels. Steam with flatbed irons. Enhanced ironing. Steam can be added to the process by misting the fabric slightly before ironing or using a steam iron with a mist spray feature. Benefits of steam. Steam helps relax wrinkles, making it easier to iron out creases and achieve a smoother finish. Steamers versus irons. Steaming can be a faster option for quick touch-ups, while ironing provides a more thorough finish. In summary, Flatbed irons are designed for ironing large, flat items, and the addition of steam can enhance the ironing process by helping to relax wrinkles and create a smoother finish. Laundry equipment. Washers, extractors. Dryers, chest-type ironers. Steam boiler, thermal fluid heater. Lint control devices. Linen folders. Linen carts, trolleys. Dry cleaning equipment. Laundry sinks. Air compressors. Laundry scales. LuxMed vacuum ironing table, sometimes called an ironing table with vacuum, uses a vacuum feature to remove moisture and heat from garments during ironing, resulting in faster and more efficient ironing and a crisp, crease-free finish. These tables often have a heated surface, and the vacuum helps to quickly cool and dry the fabric. How it works. 1. Placement. The garment is placed on the heated, perforated surface of the table. 2. Vacuum activation. The vacuum is activated, drawing moisture and heat away from the fabric. 3. Ironing. The iron is used to smooth out wrinkles, and the vacuum helps prevent steam buildup and burning. LuxMed looking for offshore manufacturing partner for inline country that produces goods for local demands and supply to reduce manufacturing costs or access specialized capabilities and technology access to scale global business operation. For details, please revert.